Ever joined a Discord voice channel only for your friends to complain that you sound like you are speaking from inside a microwave? Let's fix that. Today, we are unlocking the absolute best voice and video configurations to give you crystal clear studio quality audio instantly. First, crack open your configuration dashboard, click on the user settings gear icon down at the bottom left corner next to your profile avatar name. From the options column on the left side of your screen, head straight down to the app settings block division and click on voice and video. Let's optimize your input hardware first. At the very top, make sure your actual dedicated microphone is selected under the input device drop-down layout and set your headset under output device. Now, look at the input mode settings right below. If you have background noise like a loud fan or family talking, change this from voice activity to push to talk. This locks your microphone down, completely silencing your feed until you press a specific shortcut hotkey button of your choice to speak. Finally, scroll to the bottom, click the Let's Check Test button, speak into your mic, and listen to your newly optimized razor-sharp voice feed. If this audio optimization guide helped you sound crisp and professional, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more elite tech guides. See you in the next one.